Welcome to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into Make, formerly Integromat, found at make.com. Make is a powerful no-code, low-code platform that allows you to connect different apps and automate workflows. It's a great tool for streamlining tasks, saving you time and effort. Think of it as a central hub for all your favorite apps, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. With Make, you can create complex automations called scenarios. These scenarios consist of modules, each representing a specific action within an app. You can chain these modules together, creating a flow of actions that trigger automatically based on specific events or schedules. One of the key strengths of Make is its extensive library of pre-built integrations. This means you can connect to a vast array of popular apps without any coding knowledge required. Whether you're working with marketing tools, CRM systems, or project management platforms, chances are Make has an integration for it. This simplifies the process of connecting your tools and automating your workflows. Furthermore, Make provides a visual interface that makes building scenarios intuitive and easy to understand. You can drag and drop modules, connect them with visual lines, and customize their settings with just a few clicks. This visual approach makes automation accessible even to those without a technical background. Make offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs, from free options for basic usage to more advanced plans for larger teams and complex automations. It's a versatile platform suitable for individuals, small businesses, and even enterprise-level organizations. By automating repetitive tasks, Make empowers you to focus on more important aspects of your work, boosting productivity and efficiency. Whether you're looking to automate social media posting, manage customer data, or streamline your e-commerce operations, Make provides the tools you need to create custom workflows that fit your specific requirements. Explore make.com and discover the potential of automating your digital world.